Welcome back to the channel. In this lecture, we will discuss the modern 20th century perception of the word catharsis. With this discussion, I hope we will have developed enough understanding to explore the word catharsis in different dimensions. This will help us to understand the concept of tragedy and drama as well. Intellectual clarification has been argued in support of by a number of scholars. As opposed to the other interpretations, the clarification theory of catharsis is fully in agreement with Aristotle's argument in chapter number 4 of Poetics that the essential pleasure of mimesis is learning and interference. There is general agreement that Aristotle's theory of mimesis and catharsis reacted to Plato's negative views of artistic mimesis on audiences. Based on Plato, the most common types of mimesis were designed to evoke powerful emotions like pity and fear in an audience in order to overwhelm the rational control that is the foundation of our humanity and leads us to wallow in unacceptably excessive passion and emotion. As a psychological mechanism that generates the rational control of irrational emotions, Aristotle's concept of catharsis contradicts Plato's philosophy in every sense attributed to it. The most prevalent interpretation of catharsis is one in which pity and fear achieve catharsis of other emotional dispositions similar to their own. As a method of aversion, catharsis views catharsis as an allopathic process in which pity and fear produce catharsis of emotions that are unlike pity and fear. Aristotle on plots and emotions in Balfour Tragic Pleasures is a book where we can easily understand this view. If you have any question related to this lecture, leave your question in the comment section. We will explore the historical use of this word catharsis in our next lecture. So ring the bell icon so you may not miss any important updates. Thank you.